Morning, Goaty Woadies. Good morning, assholes. Good morning, everybody. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning. What are you doing? Don't lick me. Hi. Hi, good morning, chai and chocolate. Am I having coffee with chai and chocolate? Don't you bite him. Will you stop it? Stop being rude. Oh, buddy. I did a really terrible haircut on you, didn't I? I sure did. Chai Marie? No, he's your friend. You were so sad. I say this every morning. You were so sad when he wasn't here. Just because he gets some attention doesn't mean you have to be a jealous lady. Nobody likes a jealous Janet. Chai Marie, fix the ears. There we go. See these ears? That's how I like the ears. And just be mad at him for existing. She's a grump today. What are you, in your cycle or something? Why are you being so rude? Your mare is showing. All right, I gotta put these boxes in there.
Hi, what are you doing? Silly.
Hello, Daryl.